Hi everyone, hope you all are doing amazing. So in today's video I'm going to talk about 5 products that I have been loving from Juicy Chemistry. If you're not aware, Juicy Chemistry is an organic personal care brand and they have a lot of products starting from hair care to skin care to body care, and they also have a lot of products for kids as well. Juicy Chemistry's products are made from certified organic ingredients, so they are in their purest forms. They do not use any kind of synthetic ingredient. They do not use any artificial fragrances, so whatever you are buying from them will be in its purest, organic and most potent form, which is what I love about the brand. I have already reviewed a lot of products from Juicy Chemistry. I'm going to link the video up somewhere, and there are a lot of my personal favorites that I have talked about in those videos. I'm not going to touch those favorites that I have already talked about, but right now I'm going to talk about the 5 products that I have been using this quarantine, like entire quarantine, 3 months. I have used these 5 products and I would love to share my thoughts with you now that I have used them enough. So the first product is going to be Damask Rose Sea Buckthorn and Jasmine Organic Certified Deodorant Stick. So this stick has no aluminum, no alcohol and no preservatives. All you have to do is push the bottom and the product will come out. Make sure not to push too much because you cannot push it back. It's very easy to use. I personally love the fragrance of rose, and since they do not use any artificial fragrances in their products, you are not going to smell intense fragrances of rose or jasmine. So it is really hot in Delhi these days. Right now the temperature is almost 40 degrees and it's very hot. You sweat a lot and then you smell a lot. So this deodorant actually blocks the body odor. It just eliminates the body odor. You will smell fresh for good 7 to 8 hours minimum. It also has sea buckthorn, which is a rich source of vitamin C, which means this product, if you use it daily, you will see that it will reduce the darkness of your underarms, which is an added advantage. It will also balance the pH of your armpits, your underarm area, and this is suitable for all skin types. I have been using it for a long time and I have really sensitive skin, and believe me, this doesn't sting, this doesn't burn, nothing whatsoever. I really like this one, and if you're looking for an organic deodorant, you should try this one out. This is really worth the money. Next one is Camellia Amla and Apricot Leave-In Conditioner. If you go and check out their website now, you will find this in a jar form. Now it comes in a glass jar with the aluminium lid on. This one is quite an old. I think this must be 3 or 4 months old. So they might have changed the packaging recently, because that's what I saw when I was browsing through their website today morning. And this is an hydrating serum for dry and frizzy hair. This is amla, apricot, sweet almond oil. So this tames your frizz. It makes the hair really manageable. It prevents your hair from getting dry, frizzy. It prevents breaking. So I use it on my dry hair. So what I do, I apply my shampoo, then I condition my hair. That's my regular routine. I always do that. And after my hair is like almost dried, like 80% dry, I use a pump of this serum, massage it between my palms, and when it is just completely liquefied, I just apply it on the lens. So ear down, ear below, whatever length is there, you can apply it on those length. And one pump is more than enough for me. I have around this much length, and right now I have tied them up in a bun because it's very hot and they have grown a lot. So I would highly recommend this one to people who have dry and frizzy hair. Next I'm going to talk about a new hair oil which I am using from them. It is Hibiscus Guava and Bhringraj Organic Hair Oil. Now this product is fairly new to me. I have been using it for just a month now, and this product is really good for those who struggle with premature graying of hair, and it is also very nourishing. So it will not only prevent and control the premature graying of your hair, it will also work on dry and frizzy hair, dry dull frizzy hair. Bhringraj is not a new ingredient. It's a very old traditional Indian ingredient which you might find in a lot of hair oils, and it is very famous because of its effectiveness on hair fall, its effectiveness on premature graying and dullness and dryness. You name a hair issue and Bhringraj works on it. So this oil is made with 13 very effective potent ingredients. So it works on the scalp, it stimulates the scalp and stimulates the hair follicles and works on hair growth. Also repairs split ends, This is again certified organic, fragrance free and preservative free. Like all the products, these products are vegan and cruelty free. Next product is going to be 100% organic saffron and red raspberry day facial oil. Now, as the name suggests, I use it during the day. So my skin is very dry. I use a very light hydrating moisturizer and add 2 drops of this oil and apply it on my face. It doesn't make my face greasy or sweaty or oily. This is very lightweight and it immediately absorbs into your skin, and this is non-comedogenic, which means it's not going to break you out. So red raspberry oil is very rich in omega and vitamins. It is rich in vitamin A and E, which improves skin's elasticity and gives, you know, anti-aging benefits. Red raspberry seed oil is also a natural source of SPF, so this is going to give you sun protection as well, and with prolonged use, like with the regular use, you will also see evenness in your skin tone. So this will not only provide anti-aging benefits, it will also protect you from sun damage, and it will also make your skin even tone. So this is a 10 ml bottle I have right here, and I use just 2 drops, so this is going to last me I don't know how many months. Last but not the least, I have blood orange and rosehip lip balm. So this is a new tub. I used to use the previous lip balm, which used to come in plastic roll-up tube, and this is something I have picked very recently when I ran out of the rosehip lip balm. I always knew that rosehip works on uneven skin tone, it works on pigmentation, because I have used rosehip oil for good 2 years straight, and it actually worked on my pigmentation and uneven skin tone. Rosehip oil is rich in antioxidants, so what it does, it stimulates collagen in your lips, and I mean this when you use it in the lip butter form on your lips, it will work on wrinkles and fine lines, so it will give you smoother, plumper lips, and it will also work on pigmentation if you use it regularly on a regular basis. It also has this lip balm also has avocado oil, vitamin E and almond oil, which means it is packed with ingredients that are really rich and moisturizing for your lips. I'm really happy that they have decided to transition from plastic to this kind of biodegradable packaging. Rosehip works on the lip pigmentation gradually. If you see my recent videos, you might observe that my lip pigmentation has gone down a lot. I will continue using it, and see, pigmentation builds up very gradually over the years, so it will take time to go away. You cannot expect miraculous results by using a product for a month or so. You have to use the product continuously to see the results. So these products are really nice. I have been using them for such a long time. I have been talking about them for such a long time. If you are a long time subscriber, you know that I personally really enjoy organic, natural, handmade Indian brands, and Juicy Chemistry is one such brand. I really love how they keep the bar high, how they keep the quality of their products high. They do not compromise on quality, and then they deliver results. So you have to use the product for a long time to see the results, especially when you're transitioning from the regular conventional hair serums, hair care products, you know, that might or might not have preservatives, silicones and other stuff, to something which is pure organic, because your skin, your hair need time to, you know, transition from one kind of product to another kind. So these were the products that I have started loving again in the quarantine. That's why I have mentioned quarantine edition. These are the 5 products from Juicy Chemistry that I have been recently trying and loving. I will highly recommend you guys to check them out. I don't have a coupon code, but I'll check. If I can find anything, I'll just mention in the description box. They have an app as well. You can go and buy products directly from their app. It's very easy. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're watching me for the first time, please subscribe, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.